Punta akong Kia ngayon. Papa-service namin. Papa-change oil, tsaka change tire kami today. Ako lang. Pumasok si Briggs, kaya ako magdadala sa Kia. Tapos iiwanan ko na to doon. Si Daddy na yung kukuha sa Kia. Kasi syempre, siya magbabayad. So yeah, today's Monday. Monday Easter. Walang pasok ang mga bata. Kaya, ayun. Relax si Mami. Kaninang morning, hinatid ko lang si Brick sa work niya. Dahil nga, ipapa-service tong kotse. So, ayan. Kasi kailangan na din magpalit ng gulong. Dahil double digits na ang temperature. Ayan. Yung Kia, baka lang magpasak ko. Diba, hirap na hirap ako mag-park. Hindi ako marunong. Sikip kasi, punong-puno. I don't know why. Ito na lang ako dun sa harap. Tatanong. Oh, ang parallel parking ko. Paano ka ba pinasa to? Yan, so pasok lang tayo sa loob. First time ko ever magpapa-service. Ever. Okay, bye-bye.
So I'll keep these. You want to try to explain that to you? And then we'll go from there. As far as time is concerned, I'll need at least a couple hours to start. Just kind of go through everything. Once
Hi, yeah, I have an appointment for 10 a.m.
you have an appointment today?
Yes,
What's the name it's under?
Acosta.
For 2024 Sorrento?
Yeah,
Perfect. Do you mind if I grab your keys?
sure.
I'm just gonna get some info. Just take a seat with
Sure.
me. Give me a few minutes.
Yeah, no problem. Pabalik na ako ng bahay, lalakad lang ako. Malapit lang to sa amin, tiningnan ko sa Google Map, 1.2 kilometers lang yung lalakarin ko. So, maganda naman yung weather, 9 degrees, so inaabot ako ng ulan, my gosh. Wala pa naman ako sisilungan, oh my god. Maulan. Oh, so si Daddy na yung kukuha nun. 2 hours daw gagawin yung kotse. So change oil at change tire. So yun. Say hi to Mommy.
Hi!
No running, no running. Mag-park kami ni Nia. Kanina pa nagyayaya ka sa umulan eh. Oh, not on the paddle. Side lang, please. Okay, good. Doon kami, may isang park dito eh, dyan. Malapit lang sa amin. Pero gusto daw niya doon sa Green Park. Sa bigger park, kasi may ano doon eh. Mas malaki, mas maganda. Kaso baka basa, naisip ko baka basa. Baka basa yung park. Kasi umulan. What's that?
On the earthworm.
Earthworm? Okay.
Oh. Mommy, let's go there instead of there.
You remember?
Yeah, because we sometimes go there and we sometimes go there.
Okay.
I think we can go there.
Okay.
Mommy,
So which way you wanna go?
Mommy, I think there. I
Okay.
think Daddy's son lives there.
Okay. Okay, tell me where to go, okay? Because I think I forgot where to go.
I know.
You know?
We sometimes go there.
How about going here?
No.
No, you don't like?
Yeah, because it's too far.
So maybe we have to cross.
Mommy, diba when we were going to Canada, we played Angry Birds?
Okay.
We did.
You did? Where?
On the airplane when we were going to Canada.
You remember?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
I do.
You do?
I remember the game.
Okay.
Like when you miss, you gotta restart. Mommy,
Yes.
how much years do we have to survive on Earth now?
Usually people
Die.
start dying when they're on 70s, 80s,
Or 100.
or
Mommy,
100. You're very lucky if you
Mom-
reach 100.
Mommy, someone is 100 years old and still survive.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And when it's 100 birthday, he blew 2 candles and he cannot blow the last one.
Why?
And his brother helped him.
Oh, okay. So how old is the brother?
I don't know.
But the brother is also old?
No.
Or maybe it's a grandson or a son.
It's a big son.
With whom? With Kuya Kobe. Ang dami sinasabi. He used to bring his car daw when he was, his bike here when he was 5 with Kuya Kobe. Ito yung mas malaking park. Mas enjoy si Neo dito. Walang tao pero parang basa. Basa naman, Neo. Ni, baka mabasa short mo. Ayan na. What? Yes. There's a nest? May nest daw. Oh, may bird na nakatira dyan. Malikot yan. Eh, why you have to jump?
I did it.
You did.
Because it's swing.
That is foreign camera. Yung pinanasan na ni Neo. Pamunas ng pawis mo yan eh. Kasi basa, mababasa ang pet niya. Ana, buti may dala si Mami. Pampunasan na ng pawis. Nak! Okay lang, tanggalin yung wet. Okay na? Hindi na wet? Okay. Smile for... Oh, wait. Smile. Smile first. Smile. Yeah, okay. Oh. Yay, video for Neo and Mommy.
I'm
Push
pushing
niya,
the
push.
leg. I'm adding my leg here so I can push it.
Oh, dirty na ulit. Wag na po. Wag na po, baka mahulog po si Mommy.
It's so weak. Ah!
Oh, oh, oh. Huwag mag-slide, I said. Huwag nga, basa kasi. Ma-wet yung brief mo tsaka shorts mo. Uwi na tayo. Wawa naman. Eto, mag-ano ka ng wall. Mag-climb ka ng wall dito, oh. Maganda.
Taking another break?
Go.
Okay. Are we ready?
No, it's okay. Don't be afraid. I'm holding you. Napagod po siya. Drink water. Asus! Asus! Napagod naman ang pogi.
I'm not ready. I'm a little bit ready.
Oh, you're sweaty. Okay.
A
Drink.
little bit.
Okay, a little bit. Boss, drink muna water, boss.
Huh?
Drink water, boss. Hindi ako mapagod yung boss ko. Bossing. Bossing. Go.
6,
Okay.
7,
Okay.
8,
Oh.
9,
Oh, wow.
10,
Oh, wow.
11,
Wow.
12,
Oh, wow.
13,
Oh, wow.
14, 15,
Oh, wow.
16.
Oh. Wait for mommy. Go. Go. Ah.
Yay!
Wait. Ah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Focus sa pag-fall mo. Focus ka lang dyan. Ah, go. Go, 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 go. Oops. Oops.
Go with.
Oh, oh. Oops. Good. Ah.
It's falling off.
It's okay. Ah. Ah. Wala na kung nililis mo.
No! Oh,
May blood?
no.
Wala.
Wala. I just seen it.
Okay.
Wala blood.
Okay.
Mommy, do it hurt when you put it on?
No, because it has hole in it.
On your ear? There's a hole on your ear?
Yeah, look. And the earlobe, there's a hole in it.
Like, Mommy, do I have it?
You don't have.
Why?
Only girls have that.
But how could we have have one?
Because they let it. Kasi ginanon nila. Nagpalagay sila ng hole. You want?
No.
See,
It don't.
see, it has a hole.
It doesn't.
It goes until the...
Mommy, what happens when there's bones in it? Does it hurt when you would put?
No, but it doesn't have bones. That's why it doesn't hurt. It
Oh.
hurts a little. But when I had this, I was a baby. So I forgot it already.
When you're
Even Auntie Irish.
when you're a baby, when you're a baby, they put that. And did you
Yeah.
cry?
Maybe, because Ate Irish cried. Uwian na po. Pagod na ang baby. Did you have fun, Neo? Neo, na-enjoy ka naman? Pagod siya eh. Siguro good 1 hour and a half din siya naglaro.